Good morning. We are here. We're going to attempt to get these blocks taken down from the old chimney so we can extend the floor out to make room for our kitchen in here. So let me turn you around. We'll show you what we have to do. So what we have to do is, it looks like it's 2 courses of center blocks that need to come out, and then we'll extend the bottom plate rim joist around to this side over here, and then that way, and then we'll start splicing the floor joist on there. So hang tight. I'll start getting the tools and stuff ready that I think we're going to need, and I'll show you what we find and how we're going to accomplish what our goal is. So hang tight. So we got this hammer drill. We're going to just start taking some blocks off. Coming off pretty easy. Not too bad. So seems like they're coming off pretty easy. Let me show you. It looks like there's a slab up there, so we might have to break that off, but I'll continue doing this, and then once I get it down, I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright, well, I got the blocks off and I got the slab off the top. It's a big heavy slab. I was able to get it broke loose and then slide it off, and then once it came off, I let it fall flat, and it broke right in half for me. But let me turn you around so you can see what we got here. So we got it off. So now what do I need to do is I need to, let's get this back some. So what I need to do is get all this cleaned up so the bottom sill can sit flat, and then remove this rim joist. We'll have to cut it here we'll have to cut it there, and then run bottom plate around to here, and then extend my floor joist over on and put a new rim joist up here, and then put the plywood on, and it should be ready to go. So I will clean this stuff up and get some measurements, and we will start putting the bottom plate on. Alright guys, so I got the bottom plate in there, I got the rim joist in there. Now what I need to do is I need to get the floor joists cut and get them in there so we can screw those on, and then we can cut as a sheet of plywood and nail it down, and it's good to go. All right guys, got the floor in, got the wall up. Wasn't too bad. Let me turn you guys around. This is the new kitchen. So I did this here so I can push my fridge back, so I didn't have to buy a counter depth fridge. And then this wall will be stove and cabinets, and then sink, dishwasher, and everything be on that side. I think it came out pretty good. No more fireplace. But like I said, if you guys have any comments, be sure to leave them in the comment box, and I'll answer them for you. Thanks for watching.